to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you something that's quintessential for almost any party. It's a spinach dip Cobb Loaf. I don't know if it's just here, but one of my friends, Sam, makes the best Cobb Loaf and it's at every party and it's just amazing. It's bread with cheesy goodness and more cheesy and a bit of spinach for healthiness, but it's just so good. Like, if you've never had hot spinach dip before, please try this. You will not regret it, unless you're lactose intolerant. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. Between 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm just using 1. 250 grams of room temperature cream cheese, so it's slightly softened. This one's optional, but just to make it extra cheesy on top, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Between 1/8 to 1/4 cup of milk. 250 grams of frozen spinach that's been thawed and squeezed of any excess water. 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. Of course you can add more because cheese is life. 1/4 cup of sour cream. 1 brown onion finely diced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Then you're going to need salt and pepper to taste. I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon of each. Depends how salty your cheese is. And then 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we have our little beautiful Cobb Loaf. Isn't it gorgeous? So what we're going to do with him is cut his top off, I know, a bit dodgy. And then we're going to scoop out his insides, again dodgy. And then we're going to fill it up with the spinach dip. It's going to be delicious. So we're going to take a large frying pan and take our olive oil and saute our onions until they're nice and light brown. Then we're going to add our garlic until it's nice and aromatic for about a minute. Then we're going to add everything else. But in specific order, we're going to add our milk, then our cream cheese, then our sour cream, then our parmesan cheese, then our spices and spinach. I'll show you. Whoa. Once the onions are nice and brown, we're going to add our garlic for about a minute. Now we add this after because if garlic burns, it goes quite bitter. Once your garlic becomes aromatic and it's very fragrant, add 1/2 of your milk, cream cheese and sour cream until it's all melted. Then add your spinach and parmesan cheese. Just want to kind of smush it all together. This is so healthy for you.
Oh yeah.
Spinach. Milk. Cheese. This is the stage where you should try it because it's not going to change much from this point. If you want to have it a bit more cheesy, add some more parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, whatever you think you need until you like it. I love it. With the inside of the bread, we don't want to throw that away, it's delicious bread. I just tear it apart into little bits so you can use it to dunk the filling out of. I just put it next to the Cobb Loaf when I bake it, just to make it nice and crispy. Now, you can put this in the oven as it is, or you can sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. I'm not going to use the full 1/4 cup, I'm just going to put a tiny little bit on top like so. This is just when we put it in the oven, it's going to get nice and bubbly and stringy on top. So I'm putting it in at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for only about 5 to 8 minutes until it's all golden brown on top and the bits of bread are nice and toasty. Okay guys, so that's how you make my cheesy Cobb Loaf spinach dip thing. I'll remember that name later. But it's so good and it smells majestic in here. And yep, that's just to eat because yes. I hope you like this one. I know you don't like spinach, but
we shall see.
It's cheesy as
Cheesy as
that's a lot nicer than what I was going to say.
I don't think I've ever had Cobb Loaf before.
Girl, get on it.
Whoa.
We just put spinach in there to seem healthy. This is so good for you. How good is that?
So good for you.
Honestly, I remember going to my friend Sam's house and she had this out there. I was doing some catering for her and she was like, you've got to try this. I'm like, okay. I lost it. I ate almost the whole thing and she had like 3. I was like, yes.
I can't believe I've never had that before.
How
my life has changed.
Oh. My life. I know, right? It's so good. Because you get the slight sweetness of the onion, that beautiful garlickiness, and then just cheese. Cheese for days. I'm okay with this.
Beautiful.
I'm okay with this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.